In this video, I show a new app that pays you $300 per hour, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. This is new app that pays you. Also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. That way, I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online, so you can be one of the first to use it. Thus, of course, make the most money. Enjoy it. First and foremost, I want to show you this website where you can earn $300 per hour. But there's a catch. This will not work for you if you're too lazy to follow and watch the entire video. So if you really want to make money online, you must follow each and every step shown in this video. This is absolutely free and available worldwide. Now, right before I explain to you how you can do this, comment down below, I am from blank, aka your country. That way I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. And don't forget, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let us get started. Gold mines. First of all, I want you to go over to this website, which is at g2.com. So right here on this website, they have different categories of software. As you can see here, people are giving ratings for all of these software ranging from 1 star up to 5 stars. So by giving simple ratings on this website, you can actually get paid over and over again. And don't worry, it's actually much easier and simpler than what you think. But here's the warning. Make sure to pay close attention, because I will show you a few real-life examples on exactly how to do this. If you don't follow my steps, you may end up not making any money. Now, all you have to do is scroll down and look for this section right here, which is using software. And basically, you're just going to write a review and simply give a rating. So just go ahead and click on this button right here, and that's going to take you to this page. As you can see here, there are a series of steps that you have to follow. So step number 1, you're going to select a software or a product to give ratings. And step number 2, you basically have to leave a very simple review. And step number 3, you have to share it. And as simple as that, you can make $300 over and over again. Now, before we get started, you have to log in or create a free account on g2.com. So all you have to do is just click on this button right here, and that's going to take you to this page where you can simply sign in or create a free account. You can either sign up with your LinkedIn account, Facebook account, Google account, or with any of your business email. Creating your account should take no longer than 60 seconds. Once you created a free account, you can now literally give a rating on this software and actually start making money. So now let me show you everything right from the start. The first step is that you have to find and choose a software or a product that you want to give a rating. As you can see here, there are different categories of software that you can choose from, such as marketing, e-commerce or retail, sales, finance and accounting, information technology, and so on. Now I will show you a real-life example. So let's say if you prefer to review a software in the information technology category, all you have to do is just click on it. And that's going to take you to this page where you can find different software in the information technology category. So from here, when you scroll down, you can see many different software and different products in which you can simply give ratings and make money. And the earning opportunity is unlimited. The best part is you can definitely do this in less than 10 minutes, and you can do this as much as you want. Now, for the purpose of this video, we will choose Dropbox, because I believe a lot of you actually heard of Dropbox before. So right now, what we're going to do is just go ahead and select Dropbox by ticking on this box right here. By doing so, you can see here at the right-hand side that you have selected one product. That means that you can actually choose on multiple products. For example, if you want to give ratings on Zoom as well, you can just click on it. And as you can see here, you have selected 2 products. In continuation, once you've selected Dropbox, I want you to click on this Continue button right here. So moving on to step number 2, which is really important. So make sure to pay close attention. As you can see here, write a short review on one of the products that you use. And right here, we actually selected Dropbox. So just go ahead and click on this review button right here. And that's going to take you to this page. Now, you must pay very close attention to this question. How likely is it that you would recommend Dropbox to a friend or colleague? So you can actually give a rating all the way from 0 up to 10, which is very likely that you're going to recommend the software to other people. In this case, I actually love Dropbox a lot, so I'm going to give it a rating of 10 right away, which is very likely. Moving on to the next step is the title for your review. So right on this box, you can actually type something to express your opinion and your feedback in using Dropbox. So right now, I will give you another bonus tip to help you start making money immediately. But real quick, if you guys are enjoying this video, in which I've put a lot of time and energy to actually do, I would really appreciate it if you guys tap the like button and make sure you subscribe with notification on. And if we get 1,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you guys exactly how to make even more money online, doing basic stuff like this in the comfort of your home. Now let's get back to the video. So right here, as you can see, this is the Dropbox software that a lot of people are giving reviews and ratings on. There are over 12,000 reviews provided by people from all over the world. Now, when you scroll down, you can find more information about Dropbox. But the most important thing is that you can actually get so many ideas on how other people are actually giving their reviews. Take a look at these. Some people that give reviews actually shoot simple videos to express their opinions. So by looking at these examples, you can have more ideas on how you can write your own reviews and give your own ratings. From here, you can also find some written reviews provided by other people. And this right here is actually the title of this particular review, which is Excellent File Syncing and Sharing Platform. And this is the rating provided by this guy right here. And this is his explanation about what he likes best and what he dislikes about Dropbox. So by going through all of these reviews provided by other people, you can get so many inspirations and so many ideas. And you can actually refer to them on how they give their reviews and how they write their very simple reviews. And you can do exactly the same thing and start making money starting today. So in this case, since I gave a very high rating on Dropbox, I'm going to give it a title, Best for Sharing Files Online Recommended. So moving on to the next questions, which are what do you like best? And what do you dislike about Dropbox? This is actually pretty simple because you only have to write at least 40 characters for each question. So as you can see here, that's exactly what I showed you earlier. This is the title of his review. And this is what he likes best and what he dislikes about the software. You can actually get a lot of reference from a lot of other reviewers right here on g2.com. As you can see when you scroll down, there are literally hundreds and hundreds of other people from all over the world who actually give ratings and give very simple reviews on Dropbox. And they're able to make a lot of money online. This is actually much easier than what you think. So in continuation, what do I like best about Dropbox? I'll just write something like this. What I like best about Dropbox is the seamless way of saving my files, documents, photos and videos, and the ability to share them with ease with anyone else, despite not having a flash drive that can cost me a couple of dollars. And that's it. Just write a very short and concise answer. And also right here, what I dislike about Dropbox. I'm going to write something like this. Sometimes Dropbox's upload speeds are heavily throttled and files take much longer to upload. This has been a recent occurrence that has slowed us down a little. So as you can see, this is actually pretty simple and short, and you can do this in less than 5 minutes. And once you're done giving the ratings and writing a very short and concise review about Dropbox, you can now scroll down, and in here you have to tick this box where it says, I agree with the statement above. This is to certify that this review is based on your own experience, and it's your own genuine opinion toward this particular software. Now, just make sure that you answer all the necessary questions. Once you're done doing so, just click submit. And as easy as that, you're going to make $300 or even up to $900 over and over again starting today. And that wraps it up. That is the new app that pays you $300 per hour. And now if you want to earn even more money, check the first link in the video description below to discover how to get paid $500 per day with free photos, which is one of the best ways to make money online, which anyone, even without previous experience, can do. Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on, so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, I will see you in some of the next videos.